what we call triple shots. Let's warm up with some hip shots. Here we go. Tricks right off the bat there. Right off the bat.
Missing.
I got as close to that target as I could without breaking. That's tough. That's tough. Alright. So let's try 6 and then we'll move on to something even more difficult. Those things are flying too fast. Right? If you've been around shotgun shooting very long, you know we have a lot of excuses. So y'all bear with me before I run out. Alright, let's take this shotgun. And I'm telling you right off the shelf, you can turn this thing upside down and put it right over your head and it'll break the flame. Let's try 2 others. The gun upside down.
Wow.
I said white's over here, right? Okay, white team, let's hear it. You barely made it to the trap house, didn't you? Okay, I really need y'all here. That was kind of a failure. Let's try this real quick. Let's hear it.
Holy shit.
It went to outer space.
Sit down on the sofa. I'll cook dinner, right? I said, okay, that'll be nice. Get some wine. You're going to need it. She said, well, what for? I said, well, this might get messy. So, I have not cooked since that day. For this reason. It makes a mess. Now, guys, if you aren't married, that is the trick.
Salad.
Everybody get enough to eat?
Yeah.
No? Okay, well, the next is my specialty. Here in Texas, we like spicy, we like hot, and we like hot sauce. Okay? Y'all might call it salsa.
This is
Who wouldn't be right if we didn't have a little sauce out here? Let's start with a orange.
Oh!
We got one bite out here.
Так, запускайте перечі.
This is gold. Hey, no, I want the sauce.
Now, my sauce is, I like that roasted flavor, right? You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've got this hot vegetable slicer. It's sizzling up here.
Look at
I smell it. I smell it. It's good. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it
We
does.
had some vegetables, then we had our sauces. Let's finish up with
It
something
smells
sweet.
good. Ah!
Sorry, fruit.
Oh my God! I got it! You need it! I got it! Oh my God! You're fresh, sir! Shoot it now! We can't see it! Shoot it!
I know this isn't New York style, but we gotta be patient.
We can't see it on camera. I see. Can I never?
These shotguns are only meant to shoot about 50 yards, right? That one, still in their
That's
I heard the pop. I heard the pop. Don't shoot it at that one. That was wrong.
As it goes higher, the wind goes.
Shoot it.
Flies and dives, right?
Bump it up. Shoot it.
Wait.
Where the hell is it? Okay, it's right there. Oh, my God,
Okay, now I've got 12 eggs, and as y'all know, I've got 12 shells in the shotgun. So you guys are going to help me out by throwing one egg at a time. Each just grab an egg and throw, okay, one at a time, as fast as you can. The game is if they get an egg on the ground without me hitting it, they win. If I hit all the eggs, I win. The secret is, I don't usually win. Okay? Bring us an egg. Is your mom here? Hey, Dad, is it okay if I tell him to put one in his pocket? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, guys, let me load up real quick. Make sure I have 12. Conrad, you're ready, aren't you, buddy? Okay, fling them out there. I'll already win. Let's try again. One at a time.